medisina, you cannot consume the 100 million. A month yan. Binibigay ko. Sundalo, yung kanilang bilo na 50 million a month. Ang AFP, 50 million a month. That's 100 million for the military. Kaya yung isang may delivery doon na skandalo, I fired the general. Kasi yung ghost delivery. Yun yung panahon na galit talaga ako. It's a long story, but I offered to resign. So if I thought that my back was covered by you guys. Kayo ang inaasahan ko. Then here comes a ghost delivery.